Willow Glen home buyers and sellers, here's your 2-minute drill for the month of April where we cover all things real estate related in 2 minutes or less. This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome to another 2-minute drill, everyone. Now, before we get into the video today, I want to see in the comments down below, leave your comment as to whether you think the Willow Glen housing market here is going to depreciate, remain neutral, or appreciate post shelter in place. There's arguments to be made for all three, so I'm curious to see what you guys think. Now, let's get into the analysis, everyone. We got our handy dandy timer here on our iPad. We're super high tech here. Let's begin in 3, 2, 1, go. So you'll see all the statistics that I'm talking about in the lower third. Right now, the for sale inventory is greater than the number of homes that are being sold in Willow Glen in the single family sector. And that trend has continued over the last 3 months. And I expect that that gap to widen, meaning the delta between for sale and sold to widen in April. The reason being in Santa Clara County overall, we're seeing inventory levels drop dramatically, but for sale or sold and pending numbers dropping even further. And so that gap is going to widen, hence creating a more buyer-friendly environment. It's not a buyer's market. I'm not saying it's a buyer's market, big difference, but a more buyer-friendly environment for buyers, as long as you can qualify for a loan right now, because that is the big if. Now, in the condo and the townhome sector, we see a little bit of a discrepancy where there's more sold than for sale. Now, with the numbers being so low, or the sample size being so low in the Willow Glen area for condos and townhomes, hard to give that data much credibility. You'll see that the list to sales price ratio in the single family sector has gone up 103% versus condos and townhomes. We're looking at about, let's see here. Wow, goodness, I had it pulled up and it looks like we're at 96%. So the list to sales price ratio tells a little bit of a different story. It shows that despite there being way more demand than supply, the overall trend is a little bit underneath. So we're seeing still not a full out seller's market where homes are being priced under the market value and then bid up. And look, as we kind of progress post shelter in place, I believe that we're going to see far less of that. And so I believe that you'll see more list price to sales price ratios falling under 100%, with sellers pricing their homes where they want it to be and then negotiating with the buyers after that. That's all the time we have today, folks. Lots of interesting information, I'm sure. And remember, if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing here in the Willow Glen area or in the surrounding Silicon Valley area in general, go ahead and text analysis to the number below for an in-depth review of your unique situation. This is Danny Gould, everyone, with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Look forward to seeing all of you in the next video.